back to my channel. I am Sophia, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys how to find out your skin type at home. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, step one to finding out your skin type at home, go and find yourself a gentle cleanser to use and wash your face in lukewarm water. After you wash your face, make sure not to apply any other moisturizers, serums, or sunscreens. Just simply wash it, pat it dry, and hang tight. You'll want to wait about an hour before examining your skin, so make sure you're not going outside and sweating, especially don't expose yourself to the sun since you are not wearing sunscreen at this time. Just simply go and watch a movie maybe, clean around the house, whatever you have to do. In about an hour, you'll go and examine your skin. It is time to find out your skin type. You can be one of, I believe, 4 skin types, so that is oily, normal, dry, or combination skin. And I will explain how to find out what yours is. So I personally hate the magnifying mirrors. However, I will make an exception for this one. If you have a magnifying mirror, that might make this a little bit easier. If not, a normal mirror will work. So you'll want to get up close and personal to that mirror and start looking at your skin. You're gonna be looking at 2 things, your shine level and the size of your pores. Now that you are looking in the mirror, you can find out if you are oily, dry, normal, or combination skin. If you look in the mirror and you see a layer of shine all over, almost like you just applied moisturizer or highlighter even, that means that you have oily skin. People with oily skin will also find that they have a lot larger pores on their T-zone, which is between your forehead, your nose, and between your eyebrows, your nose, and your chin. Those with dry skin, you will look in the mirror and not see any shine, but you will find that your pores are a lot smaller, and also the feeling of your skin. So you might feel tight or almost itchy in a way. That means that you fall in the category of dry skin. And then we have combination skin, which is exactly what it sounds, a mixture of the two. So people with combination skin will mostly be dry all through this area, but then have a layer of shine on their nose, their chin again, basically in your T-zone. Rarely there is reverse combination skin, so you might be actually oily through here, like your cheekbones, your temples, or your forehead, and then dry throughout your T-zone. Lastly, we have normal skin, and that is just when you examine your skin, you don't see any shine, you don't see large pores, but you also don't feel the urgency to go put on moisturizer, you don't feel tight or dry at all. That means that you have normal skin. I also want to touch on the topic of dehydrated skin because a lot of people confuse this with dry skin. Your skin can be oily and dehydrated. Your skin can be combination and dehydrated, dry and dehydrated, or normal and dehydrated. This is because dehydrated skin is actually a skin condition, not a skin type. The biggest difference between the two is that dry skin is lacking the oil, and dehydrated skin means that you're lacking water. It is really hard to decipher between the two of them. If you have dry skin, you will still feel tight and itchy, and then also same signs and symptoms with dehydrated skin. However, dehydrated skin will also be followed along with flakiness, almost like you just want to exfoliate, like you kind of feel like you have a layer of dead skin, which the top layer of your skin is dead, but more like visible. All right, hopefully this video did help you guys find out at least your skin type. I will make sure to make another video going more in depth on the dry versus dehydrated thing. That is a very tricky subject, and it is hard to put into words. I can see it on a client, but I don't really know how to tell them the best way to find out if they are dry or dehydrated. But overall, this video was really just to show you guys how to find out your skin type. This is really important because it helps you make sure that you are buying the right products to actually tackle your main skincare concerns or manage some concerns that you might have. And also, when you are seeing an esthetician and they ask you what your skin type is, that is so that they can make sure that they are using products, masks, and anything else that actually will benefit you and your skin. If you guys have any more questions, definitely let me know. You can ask in the comments. You can DM me on Instagram. It is @ViaPele is my business Instagram, and @SophiaJane is my personal. You guys can follow me on either one, and make sure that you subscribed and like this video to see more videos about skincare.